As part of his visit to Japan, President of Turkmenistan Serdar Berdimuhamedov met with Emperor of Japan Naruhito. During the meeting, which took place at the Imperial Palace, the head of Turkmenistan emphasized the dynamic development of bilateral relations and the significant potential for expanding cooperation, particularly in the trade and economic sphere. President Serdar Berdimuhamedov noted Japan's high level of technological development and expressed Turkmenistan's interest in attracting advanced Japanese technologies to modernize key sectors of the national economy. He particularly highlighted areas such as electric power, the oil and gas and chemical industries, construction, transport, and agriculture, where active innovation has been observed in recent years. The sides emphasized that Japan is one of Turkmenistan's key partners in the field of high technology. Promising areas for further cooperation were identified as renewable energy sources, information technology, ecology, and sustainable development. During the meeting, the importance of cultural and humanitarian interaction as an integral component of interstate relations was also noted.